What's up everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Well, my name is Mark Plant, this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. You're able to go back and look at all the videos that I've done in the past, and it really does help out the channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. You guys are the reason why I'm able to do these videos. If you could, next to the subscribe button, there's a bell icon. Click on that, allow notifications, and you'll get notified anytime I put up a video just like this one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Leave me a question. Let me know if what I'm doing right here is the right way or if there's an easier way to do it. Okay. Basically what I'm doing now is we have a Bissell Pet Eraser Vacuum, and to be honest, I don't know what the model number is on it. We've had this thing forever. I've done a previous video where I've had to replace this hose here in the back. You can check it out up here. What I need to do today is change this hose on the bottom in the back here. It's split wide open. So, yeah, we're going to do that. Looks like it's an easy job. I've learned that whenever you think it's an easy job, it's not an easy job. So let's see what's going on. Let's get in, flip this thing around, and let's get this job done. All right, so this here is the hose that we need to replace. It's on the back here. My wife has tried to put tape over the broken hose, just not working. So what we did was we ordered a new hose through Amazon, and it was shipped out to us pretty quickly. It was sent to us by Oaklawn Vacuum in Countryside, Illinois. Thank you guys. You guys got this out to us really quick. And this is the replacement right here. Okay, so that's the replacement hose. Pretty much looks like straightforward, goes right into where it is. Okay, so what we need to do to replace this is we need to compress. It says counterclockwise to put on, so there we go. That's not as easy as I thought. Let's see if I can turn this over so I can see a little bit more. Oh, you can see, but the whole thing is busted right here. So this is supposed to just pop off. There we go. Oh, come on, I had you there. There we go. Whew. That was a little more difficult than I thought. And then this, I can't get my hand in there because this whole thing is busted. So that's not going to spin it. See, if this was all one piece, I could just twist it, but that piece is broken. Okay. Well, let's see if I can. It's coming off in pieces. Well, that's how it came off. It doesn't look like anything's broken on it, so this goes directly into the garbage. So now we take the new piece. I was doing it backwards. Yep, I was doing it backwards, counterclockwise. That's strange. Hey. All right, so I got the bottom in. All right, so now I got to take this pot here, and it's got to clip into this. I think it just slides up in till it clicks. And that was it. That was way too easy. All right, everyone, that's it for the video. Couldn't have been any easier. It took me between 5 and 10 minutes. Once I figured out that which way to screw the hose back on and to take the old one off, I had to pull it apart. It was really simple. Very simple repair. Cost us $13 for the hose. Much better than spending another $250 to $300 for a new vacuum. Like I said, the Bissell Pet Eraser Vacuum, they work wonderful. I have 2 dogs and constantly shedding. The vacuum is wonderful. So I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. It does help me out. You're able to go back and look at all the videos that I've done. If you are a subscriber, you guys are the reason why I can do these videos. Thank you so much. Just hit that bell icon on the subscribe button and you'll get a notification anytime that I put up a new video, just like this one. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys again real soon.